повел на
Coalport. Today, it is full of Just ask our captain. He knows everything about English too. Believe it or not, Latvian is one of the oldest languages in the world. It's like a sister to Sanskrit, the ancient language of India. When we say ugus, even in hard times, Latvians never where the key is looking out, right where we are sailing at. Interesting fact. Natural history. It's one of the oldest in the Baltics. It holds everything from and was even used in James Bond style. The president's role. In Latvia, the president isn't elected by the people but by the